Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Slow English. I am so happy you are here with me today. This is your place to slow down, listen carefully, and practice speaking English step by step. Take a breath, get comfortable. Let's learn together. Today, we are going to talk about ordering food at a restaurant. This is a very useful skill. Maybe you travel, maybe you go out with friends. Maybe you just want to feel confident when you speak to a waiter or a waitress. By the end of this lesson, you will know simple words and sentences for ordering food with confidence. When we go to a restaurant, we usually do a few simple things. First, we sit down. Then, someone gives us a menu. We look at the menu and choose our food. Then, the waiter or waitress comes to our table and we tell them what we want. It sounds simple, right? And with a little practice, it really is simple. Let's look at some examples. Here is the first example. Imagine you walk into a small restaurant. A waiter smiles and says, "Table for how many?" You say, "Table for 2, please." He shows you to your table. He says, "Here are your menus. I will come back in a few minutes." Here is the second example. You are ready to order. The waiter comes back and asks, "Are you ready to order?" You look at the menu one more time and say, "Yes, I would like the chicken salad, please." He writes it down and says, "Good choice. Anything to drink?" You say, "Just water, please." Here's the third example. At the end of the meal, you want to pay. You say, "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?" The waiter brings it to you. You say, "Thank you very much." Do you see the pattern? Simple greetings, simple requests, and simple thank yous. That is really all you need. See? It is not so hard after all. Now, let's practice speaking together. I will say a sentence. You repeat it after me. Start slow. Ready? Table for 2, please. Table for 2, please. I would like the chicken salad. I would like the chicken salad. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Great job. Let's try a slightly longer sentence. Could I have a glass of water, please? Could I have a glass of water, please? Excellent work. You are doing so well. Let's focus on one useful word today. Restaurant. This word has 3 parts. Res, tau, rent. Restaurant. Let's say it slowly together. Restaurant. Restaurant. One more time. Restaurant. Very good. Now let's try another word. Menu. This word has 2 parts. Men, you. Menu. Let's say it together. Menu. Menu. Nicely done. See? Your pronunciation is already getting better. Let's listen to a short conversation between a waiter named Sam and a customer named Anna.
Good evening. Table for how many?
Table for 2, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the grilled chicken, please.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Coming right up.
Did you understand the conversation? Listen to it again if you need to. That is completely okay. Let's review some important words from today's lesson. Number 1. Menu. This is the list of food at a restaurant. Example sentence. Can I see the menu, please? Number 2. Order. This means to ask for the food you want. Example sentence. I am ready to order now. Number 3. Waiter. This is a man who brings your food at a restaurant. Example sentence. The waiter was very friendly. Number 4. Bill. This is the paper that shows how much money you need to pay. Example sentence. Can I have the bill, please? Number 5. Reservation. This means you booked a table before you arrived. Example sentence. I have a reservation for 7 o'clock. Number 6. Delicious. This means the food tastes very good. Say it like this. Delicious. Example sentence. This soup is delicious. Now it is time for our speaking challenge. These sentences are a little longer. Repeat after me one at a time. Hello, I have a reservation for 2 people. Hello, I have a reservation for 2 people. Could we sit near the window, please? Could we sit near the window, please? I would like to start with the soup, please. I would like to start with the soup, please. For the main course, I will have the grilled fish. For the main course, I will have the grilled fish. Could you bring some more bread, please? Could you bring some more bread, please? This food is absolutely delicious. Thank you. This food is absolutely delicious. Thank you. Could I have the bill when you have a moment? Could I have the bill when you have a moment? Thank you so much. We had a wonderful evening. Thank you so much. We had a wonderful evening. Wonderful. You just practiced 8 full sentences. That is amazing progress. I want you to remember something important. Learning a language is like planting a garden. You do not see big changes every day. But if you keep practicing a little bit every single day, you will grow. Every sentence you repeat, every word you practice, is helping you become more confident. Be patient with yourself. You are doing great. That is all for today's lesson on ordering food at a restaurant. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Remember to say the sentences out loud, even at home, even alone. Your voice needs practice too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Speak Slow English, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.